Hi, I am Brittany Croson.
And I'm Ryan Croson.
And we've been members of the Skip Cline Society since 2019.
Hi, I'm Adam Abelson.
I'm Arlen Abelson.
And this is our daughter Lena. And we've been Skip Cline Society members since 2021.
My name's Charlie Hart. My wife Charlotte and I have been Skip Cline Society members for a number of years.
I'm Carrie Bear, and I'd like to tell you about why I joined the Skip Cline Society.
Hi, my name is Kyle Huber. I serve on the Skip Cline Steering Committee as well as chair the steering committee for the Skip Cline Annual Fishing Tournament.
Hi, my name is Anthony Kaufman, and I'm the Regional Director of Mission and Ethics for Baycare Health Systems, Morton Plant Mease Hospitals.
Hi, my name is Erin Frost. I am a certified child life specialist here at Mease Countryside Hospital.
Hi, I'm Andrea Nalzander, and I've been a Skip Cline member since 2021.
The Skip Cline Society is named in honor of Harry Sykes Cline Jr., affectionately known as Skip, 18 years after his untimely death. To his friends, Skip embodied the ideals of a young leader, charisma, enthusiasm, and energy. He was raised close to Morton Plant Hospital in a family long devoted to charitable ideals. The Skip Cline Society was founded in 2004 and has continued to provide a legacy of young leadership and fundraising support for the hospitals of Morton Plant Mease.
Over the past decade, Skip Cline members have collectively granted the hospitals more than $500,000. In 2021, the Skip Cline Society provided funding for pediatric CT relaxation rooms in the emergency department at Mease Countryside Hospital. Having to get a CT scan can be threatening and scary to children of all ages due to unfamiliar environment and noises. Creating this relaxation room helps minimize pediatric patients' fears, allowing children to complete their scan, which will decrease the need for repeat scans, radiation exposure, and sedation.
The physiological monitors in Mease Countryside's hospital NICU provide essential information to the care team on the status of infants receiving critical care. Using this information, the staff can evaluate a baby's condition and make treatment decisions. These new monitors and system are also quieter and have better alarms. I happened to get the email that Skip Cline had decided to fund these monitors while in the NICU at Morton Plant with my youngest, and I asked the nurses about the monitors, and they explained to me all the benefits that include the fact that instead of having to leave a patient's room to go out to a central system and see who's coding, they could stay with their patient and identify who else in the NICU needed their attention. So for instance, my son's leads kept falling off because they wouldn't stick to his skin. If they were providing critical care to another patient, those nurses would be able to identify that my son was having the issue, that it was a known issue, and that I was in the room without even having to leave the other patient, allowing them to provide a higher standard of care.
I just wanted to say thank you to all the Skip Cline members who donate their time and their generosity to funding and getting these toys through toy drives, also going out into the community and shopping for these toys. They truly do make such a memorable impact on our pediatric patients here. We not only can give them out as incentives for prizes for a child completing a scary procedure like an IV or a CAT scan, but they also allow us to give children who are inpatient toys to normalize their hospital environment. And when we can take any part of the hospital, make it a little less scary and normalize it through toys, it truly does help the coping of the child and then in turn the family. These awesome donations also help us stock our playrooms so the children have a safe and a fun place that they can play in the hospital while they're here and admitted. So thank you so much for all that you do for our kids. It truly does make a difference.
Skip Cline Society helps support the pediatric programs in the Baycare hospitals, and I got direct experience to witness that support when my daughter was born 6 weeks early and was in the NICU in the Morton Plant Hospital at the main campus in Clearwater for about 12 days. That's something that's never in anybody's birth plan. It certainly is a scary experience, but the nurses, the hospital staff, the doctors, they all made it you feel more like you're at home and less scary as well. I actually was on bed rest in the hospital for a week leading up to Ella's birth, my daughter. And they did everything they could to make me more comfortable. They gave me a VIP room. I didn't ask for that. I cried to a nurse about how I just wanted to go home. She was very comforting. She listened to me. And then when Ella was actually in the NICU, all of the nurses and the staff on hand were wonderful with helping teach a first-time parent how to do the basics of changing a diaper. And just, comfort you. They made handmade items to bring home after her graduation from the NICU. So they wanted to do everything that they could to make it a more nice, memorable experience instead of scary memories, and just try to comfort the families and do what they could to make it easier on you. So I know certainly I appreciate the Skip Cline Society for giving all that they've given to the programs, and then also too for the staff being able to do what they can for the families at that scary time.
I was actually delivered at Morton Plant as a baby, and my dad works at the hospital. He is a cardiologist, so it was very important to me that I deliver our child at Morton Plant as well. We had a wonderful experience. All of the nurses were absolutely fantastic in labor and delivery, and then after delivery in the mom and baby care unit as well.
When we first joined Skip Cline Society in 2021, it was a fun group of young people to be a part of, and we knew it was good to support the hospital. But now having our own child, it gives a whole new meaning to supporting pediatric care, and makes us feel so comfortable to know that there's a brand new pediatric ER just down the street from us. And
hopefully we never need it, but
right.
It's really nice to know that
Fingers
it's
crossed,
there.
it's good to have it there. And we also know that if you want good pediatric care, it's not going to be here in your community unless you put it here. So we're really proud to be a part of it.
Growing up, the importance of supporting my local community by using my time, talents, and financial resources was instilled. So when my family and I relocated to the Tampa Bay area in September 2021, I wanted to find organizations that aligned with our values and personal interests. The Skip Cline Society allows me to meet others of similar age and commitment to improving local health care, and it integrates my work within the Morton Plant Mease hospitals. As a Baycare team member, I can see how our pediatric patients, their families, and our team members benefit from the Society's generous support. One reason I hope my fellow team members consider joining or becoming more involved with Skip Cline is because of the bonds that grow from participation. It has been rewarding to have additional shared experiences with my colleagues in service to our patients and their loved ones. Also, we can serve as an additional trusted resource to our community partners on current health issues affecting our community. I invite you to consider furthering support our Morton Plant Mease pediatric programs and services through membership in the Skip Cline Society.
The fishing tournament has been going for 14 years strong now, and it is a fantastic way to get our local communities involved with the mission of Skip Cline Society, which is to raise pediatric funds for the hospitals of the Morton Plant Mease Healthcare Foundation. In total, we raised over $500,000 for the hospitals of the Morton Plant Mease Healthcare Foundation. Thank you for your support.
We encourage you to attend one of our upcoming fundraisers or events to learn more about the Skip Cline Society. From our annual fishing tournament on April 13th to our tavern tour fundraiser in downtown Dunedin this fall, or our holiday party later this year, there are so many ways to come out, have fun, and support a great cause. We hope to see you there.